Sniffle, sniffle, little one. Being sick is not much fun. Mommy will take care of you till you feel as good as new. Sniffle, sniffle, baby John. We'll blow your nose until it's gone. Crying, crying little tears. Something hurts inside your ears. Mommy knows what steps to take, so your ears won't itch and ache. Baby John, I'll clean your ears until you have no more tears. Coughing, coughing, sneezing too. Mommy knows just what to do. You can have a nice ice pop that will help to cool you off. Coughing, coughing, baby John. Soon your fever will be gone. Baby John, your cheeks are pink. Let's cool you down with a bath in the sink. Tickle, tickle, water squirt. Oopsie, look at Mommy's shirt. Now my little sleepyhead, it's time for you to go to bed. Quiet, quiet, we will be. Rest until you fall asleep. When you wake, I'll be right here. You'll feel better, baby dear. Sleepy, sleepy, baby John. I will leave your night light on.
Boom, boom. Wee, wee.
Hi, honey. Guess what? Today we're going to see the doctor.